How much does it cost to maintain a C8 Z06? Today, we're going to do a full breakdown on ownership costs of this vehicle. So I'm going to be 100% transparent with you guys. How much oil costs, how much I spend a month on gas, my insurance, and obviously tire costs. You have to factor all this into equation when buying this car. I will say though, it's cheap to own compared to other entry-level supercars or exotics, but it could sneak up on you. So let's go ahead and get straight into this. Starting off with oil costs, this is how much it costs to change your oil. It will be around $180. I paid $174 for my oil change. This you want to perform every 7,500 miles or once a year according to the books. I do mine personally at 4,000 miles. I do change it a lot earlier just because it doesn't cost that much to change the oil. And on top of that, I do a lot of spirited driving. So for me, I feel more comfortable changing my engine oil more frequently. On top of the oil change, when you hit 7,500 miles, you're gonna also do your first DCT and diff fluid change. This will run you $650 at your local dealer. You have to be very careful with this because you could void your warranty if you don't get it done at that 7,500 mile mark. Even if you like get to 9,000 miles and you decide to do it, GM could void your warranty, so very critical. Then when you hit 22,500 miles, you're going to do it again, but this time instead of topping off your fluids, they're going to flush it. That'll run you $1,250 to do. Once you hit 22K miles, you're going to do this every 22K again, or minimum every 3 years regardless of mileage. Insurance is a big one on this car. I pay full coverage with Geico $293 a month. My 6-month premium for full coverage is almost $1,800. I am 28 years old, clean record, never got a speeding ticket, knock on wood. So expect to pay around $300 a month on insurance, maybe a little more depending on the company you go with. Now this next one, you guys are gonna blow up the comments. This is gonna shock you, okay? This is not gonna apply to you because I'm a different kind of person when I drive this car. Like, I go crazy. You wanna know how much I pay for gas? I exported my bank statements. Look at this shit. I paid $800 last month on gas, 91 octane at Chevron. I know what you're thinking. What the fuck are you doing? Are you tracking your car every day? No, I do daily drive this car, but I'm always redlining it. I'm always in manual mode. I'm always like shifting high up in the rev range. For you, it's gonna be a lot cheaper if you drive way more conservatively. If you don't go as crazy as I do, expect to pay around maybe 300 bucks a month on gas, give or take. Next up, we got tire costs, the C8 Z06. I am running the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. I highly recommend you guys get these tires for everyday driving. The 4S are amazing, very comfortable, and they can last you about 15 to 20,000 miles. The cost of these tires, brand new shipped, is about $2,000 for a set of 4. Now obviously, if you're tracking your car, you will have to replace them a lot sooner, which makes sense. But for casual day-to-day street driving and spirited driving, expect to replace them every 15 to 20K miles. Now, for annual service costs, if you factor in gas, plus insurance, plus the oil change, expect to pay around, give or take, $8,300 a year. Now, obviously, you might pay a lot less. It all depends on how much you're driving and what your record is, but that's about the average annual cost to operate this car, not including the car payment. I wanted to make this video because a subscriber of mine really wanted a full breakdown on ownership of this car. So now you guys can see what it'll cost you to operate annually. I do have a Google Sheets link below. You guys can click and you guys can see if it'll fit into your budget. But all in all, I'm very happy with this car. It's worth every single penny I've spent. The only big thing is you're gonna spend a shit ton of money on gas. The MPG is terrible. I average around like maybe 11 miles a gallon. Also, I do want to mention that I do have the car fully PPF'd. I recommend when you guys buy this car, at least get paint protection film on the front fascia and the fenders. You are prone to a lot of rock chips, but thankfully after 11,000 miles, not a single rock chip hit my car, so the PPF was very well worth it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll answer every single one of them regarding this car. If you're looking into buying one, I can help you out. Just leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. My name is Crow, and I'll see you guys next time.